So today's lesson is over circumference. So what is circumference? It's the distance around a circle. There are two ways to find it. It's C equals 2 pi r or C equals pi d. When do you use each formula? If the question is asking you to find the circumference or distance around a circle and they have radius in the question, use the first formula. If the question is about circumference or the distance around a circle and it gave you the diameter, use the second formula. So what is pi? Pi is equal to 3.14, and it's irrational. It keeps going forever, but there's no set pattern to it. So it is this. You have a diameter. If you take a diameter and you wrap it around the circle, it takes one diameter, two diameters, three diameters, and there's a little gap, 0.14. It takes about 3.14 diameters to wrap around a circle. If you have a big circle, a small circle, no matter what, it always takes about 3.14 diameters to wrap around the circle. So the circumference divided by diameter is 3.14. So now, what is the circumference of a circle whose diameter measures 12 yards? So which formula should I use? I need to find circumference, and I was given diameter. So I will use C equals pi d. Substitute the diameter. What's the diameter? 12. So substitute means replace the diameter 12. Is there a better way to write this? 12 pi, like 12x. Now, there are three ways to solve it. You can use 3, you can use 3.14 or 22.7, or just leave the answers in pi. So if I replace the pi with 3, what's 12 groups of 3? 36 yards. If I replace the pi with 3.14, what is 12 times 3.14? Well, let's see. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 6. Cancel out the ones place. 1 times 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3. There are 2 places behind the decimal. So it's 37 and 68 hundredths yard. And this is the part where people get stuck on. Leave answer in terms of pi. Just leave it alone. Just 12 pi. Let's do one more in case you still do not understand. What is the circumference of a circle C whose radius measures 5 centimeters? So which formula should I use? Well, it's about radius. So I use the first one. C equals 2 pi r. Substitute the radius with 5. 2 pi 5. Is there a more simpler way of saying 2 pi 5? 2 radius makes a diameter, so 2 5s are 10 pi. So here it says leave answer in terms of pi, so it's 10 pi. What happens if I were to replace the pi with 3? 10 times 3 is 30 centimeters. And what if I want to replace the pi with 3.14? 10 times 3 and 1400 is 31 and 4/10 centimeters. So all three of these. So that is how to find circumference given either the diameter or the radius.